Hello guys, there we have a XIAOMI Redmi A1 and today I will tell you how you can scan your body temperature by app. So the first thing, we have to open this app. Remember to mute your phone because this app is very loud, and click skip. Now we have to wait a second. And skip the app. Okay, now click here, turn off these switchers, and hold your finger here to scan your body temperature. Remember that app will not work good if you don't have a body temperature sensor in your phone. So now skip the video and close it. How you can see, there is my results. If you want to save it, just click here and click save. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.